Have you ever had a brilliant idea but didn't know how to develop it further? Imagine having an AI tool that helps you sketch out your ideas and take them to the next level. Meet Napkin AI, a creative brainstorming assistant designed to help you capture, develop, and refine your ideas in real time. Stick around, and I'll show you how this innovative tool can turn your thoughts into fully formed concepts in no time. Introduction. Welcome back to AI Tools Review. Today we're diving into the world of creative thinking and idea development with Napkin AI. If you've ever struggled with brainstorming, organizing thoughts, or taking an idea from concept to execution, Napkin AI might be just the tool you need. Whether you're a writer, entrepreneur, or content creator, Napkin AI is here to assist you in turning your raw thoughts into actionable plans. Let's explore its amazing features and how it can help streamline your creative process. What is Napkin AI? Napkin AI is an innovative AI-powered tool that helps you brainstorm, capture ideas, and organize them into actionable plans. Think of it as a digital notebook, but with smart AI features that assist you in developing your concepts. Whether you're working on a business plan, writing a story, or just jotting down ideas, Napkin AI acts as your creative companion, helping you move from inspiration to execution. Why use Napkin AI? We've all been there, brimming with ideas but unsure how to develop them or what to prioritize. Napkin AI simplifies the brainstorming process by providing a flexible platform where you can capture thoughts, organize them, and receive AI-generated suggestions for expanding or refining your ideas. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to enhance their creative flow, reduce friction, and ensure no good idea goes to waste. Key features. Real-time. Brainstorming assistance. Napkin AI acts like a brainstorming partner, helping you generate ideas and refine them in real time. Whether you're mind mapping, listing ideas, or outlining a project, the AI provides insights and suggestions to improve your thought process and make connections you might not have considered. Smart Note organization. Gone are the days of scattered ideas. With Napkin AI's note organization tools, you can easily categorize, tag, and organize your notes. The AI also helps by suggesting the best ways to group related ideas, allowing you to see the bigger picture and stay organized. Idea expansion. Stuck on a half-formed idea? Napkin AI helps you expand and develop your thoughts with AI-driven prompts. You can enter a simple concept, and Napkin AI will provide suggestions on how to take it further, whether it's offering new angles, adding context, or suggesting resources. Collaboration features. Napkin AI also offers collaboration tools that allow teams to brainstorm together. Share your ideas with colleagues, give and receive feedback, and co-create in real time, all within the platform. AI-enhanced suggestions. Napkin AI's AI-driven suggestions can help you overcome creative blocks. Whether you need fresh ideas for content, product development, or any other project, the AI provides contextual suggestions based on the information you input. Integration with other tools. Easily integrate Napkin AI with other platforms and tools like Google Docs, Trello, or Slack to ensure your ideas flow seamlessly into your existing workflows. How to use Napkin AI. Getting started with Napkin AI is incredibly simple. Sign up. Head over to the Napkin AI website and sign up for an account. Start capturing ideas. Use the platform to jot down your thoughts, whether you're brainstorming alone or with a team. Organize and refine. Use Napkin AI's organizational tools to categorize your ideas and let the AI help you expand and refine them. Visualize your concepts. Create mind maps or flowcharts to see how your ideas connect and grow. Take action. Once your ideas are fully formed, Napkin AI helps you turn them into actionable plans with to-do lists, timelines, and project outlines. Personal review. After trying out Napkin AI, I was amazed by how much easier it made brainstorming and organizing my ideas. The real-time suggestions and AI-driven prompts are incredibly helpful for pushing your thoughts further, especially when you hit a creative block. Whether you're brainstorming for a new project, developing a business plan, or outlining content ideas, Napkin AI is an essential tool for turning inspiration into action. Conclusion. In conclusion, Napkin AI is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to improve their creative process, from brainstorming to execution. Whether you're a writer, entrepreneur, or content creator, Napkin AI offers features that make capturing, refining, and developing ideas faster and more effective. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.